Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make a very beautiful birthday card. So yeah, watch this video till end. Okay, so let's get started. Take a hard paper and fold it like this. After this you can draw a structure like this or anything whatever you want. Yeah. Now you are supposed to cut this and give it a proper shape.
Round and round we go, losing self-control.
Okay, so remove the excess by measuring. So now make a butterfly like structure on this paper. Now cut it properly. Now decorate your butterfly very beautifully. You can draw any
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become?
Now just take a black marker and highlight this area. Very carefully. Okay. Now see how this will look. Now cut it with scissor. Okay, so write your message over here. So your card is ready now. Happy birthday dear, I hope this day bring lots of happiness in your life. Okay, so you can make a card like this very simply. And yeah, if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit bell icon for all the update. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Bye.